To give us details about the implementation, we're joined in by our correspondents. Nandita Dagar is joining us from Rajiv Chowk and Kumar Alok is joining us from ITO. Nandita, first we'll come to you, and we've told our viewers how important this day is for the implementation of the odd-even formula and how DTC buses and the metro will have to jointly take up the burden. Give us more. You're there at Rajiv Chowk. Give us more from Rajiv Chowk and tell us how are people taking this? What reactions are you picking from the ground?
Yes, Preeti, I was just speaking to a car driver. She was a lady, but she was telling us that basically she's not facing a problem while driving because females are exempt from this odd even alternate day rule, but her husband is especially very careful and is following this rule very stringently, and it is actually she's hopeful that it will add to the air quality and it will decrease the amount of pollution in the air of Delhi. You rightly said that this is a litmus test for for this odd even car policy, because January 1st was a restricted holiday being a new year, and 2nd and 3rd of January was Saturday and Sunday, and therefore it could not be tested whether Delhi's public transportation system, including the DTC buses and the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, have they been utilized to their maximum capacity, and what problems Delhiites and the city infrastructure, the transport infrastructure faces. Now today the Delhi DTC buses, there will be around 4,500 DTC buses, 92% of their, which will be 92% of their strength, and that will be transporting around 64 lakh people today, which is against the usual number of 48 lakhs every day. So from 48 lakhs, which is the normal regular figure up till now, to 64 lakhs, we can just see that's an increase of more or around 20 lakh people. Also, the metro, the Delhi Metro has been asked to increase the number of shuttles or trips across the city, and almost the Delhi Metro will be undertaking 493 trips throughout, and will be transporting around 32 lakh people across the city. So, and if you see the amount of pollution that has come down, the air quality index and the particulate suspended particulate matter 10 and 2.5. Now these are the parameters which are used to measure the air quality of Delhi. At various places, it is believed that there were general statements that were made that air pollution has come down by 300%. Now we cannot say that because
that would need time. The implementation and the results of this implementation will have to be seen. Thank you so much, Nandita, for joining us. Kumar Alok is joining us from ITO. Kumar Alok, we were talking to Nandita and she told us how important it is for the odd even formula which has been introduced by the Delhi government. You're there at ITO. Now, ITO is supposed to be one of the areas in the city which is marred by traffic almost all through the day. You're there at the crossing. Tell us what sort of a picture are you getting? Do you see lesser number of cars today? And also what reactions are you picking up from commuters on the roads today? Alok.
देखिए, व्यस्ततम चौराहा है। अगर दिल्ली की हम बात करें तो ITO सबसे व्यस्ततम चौराहा है, और यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कि गाड़ियों का आवागमन जारी है, और जो पीक आवर है ये, और पीक आवर में आप देखेंगे गाड़ियों की संख्या कम है, कार की संख्या कम है, लेकिन इसके बावजूद ट्रैफिक यहाँ पर है। ज़बरदस्त व्यवस्था की गई है दिल्ली सरकार के द्वारा, और खासकर जो उनके वॉलंटियर्स हैं वो भी सिखा रहे हैं कि भाई दिल्ली को बनाना है। लेकिन एक अजीब विरोधाभास ये है कि दिल्ली सरकार के अंदर जो दिल्ली पोल्यूशन बोर्ड काम करता है, और जिस तरीके से कहा जा रहा है कि दिल्ली में प्रदूषण फैल रहा है, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड की अगर हम बात करें, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड की बात करें, और सबसे बड़ी जो दो चीज़ें हैं PM10 और PM2.5, तो दिल्ली सरकार का जो दिल्ली पोल्यूशन बोर्ड है वही कह रहा है कि जो PM10 है और PM2.5 की जो मात्रा है दिल्ली में वो बढ़ रही है। यानी 1 तारीख से जब से ये ऑड और इवन नंबर लागू हुआ है, फार्मूला लागू हुआ है, तब से ये जो PM10 और PM2.5 की जो मात्रा है, जो दिल्ली की जो आबो हवा है, दिल्ली का जो वातावरण है, उसमें इसका जो मात्रा वो बढ़ती ही जा रही है, घटने का नाम नहीं ले रही है। तो दिल्ली सरकार, दूसरी तरफ दिल्ली सरकार कह रही है कि नहीं, हमने इस पर कंट्रोल किया है और आने वाले दिनों में प्रदूषण का जो स्तर है, प्रदूषण का जो लेवल है वो कम होगा। PM10 की अगर हम बात करें तो ये हवा में है, और हवा में इसको माइक्रोस्कोप से आप देख सकते हैं। माइक्रोस्कोप से आप देखेंगे तो उसमें लेड की जो किरणें हैं या जो प्रदूषण के जो कारक हैं, और उस पर जो कंट्रोल करने की बात दिल्ली सरकार कह रही है, तो दिल्ली पोल्यूशन बोर्ड की अगर हम बात को मानेंगे, अगर उनका हम डाटा हम देखेंगे तो ये डाटा प्रदर्शित कर रहा है कि दिल्ली में प्रदूषण की मात्रा कम नहीं हो रही बल्कि बढ़ ही रही है।
Right, Alok. Thank you so much for joining us and giving us those details. That was our correspondent Kumar Alok joining us from ITO. Both the correspondents, Nandita Dagar joined us from Rajiv Chowk, and both the correspondents told us about the severity of the air pollution in the national capital and the efforts which have been made by the Delhi government when we talk of the odd even formula. It is a Monday morning today, a busy morning, and both the correspondents told us about how people are making sure that they help the Delhi government in effective implementation rather of this odd even formula.
All right.